A 7-piece hole saw set is an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking to create clean, precise holes in a variety of materials, including wood, plastic, drywall, and thin metal. Designed for durability and efficiency, this set typically includes multiple hole saw sizes, allowing for versatility in different applications such as plumbing, electrical work, and woodworking. The saws are constructed with high-speed steel or by metal teeth, ensuring sharpness, longevity, and resistance to wear and tear. A universal arbor or mandrel is often included for quick and secure attachment to power drills, making the cutting process smooth and effortless. Additionally, many sets feature optimized tooth geometry to reduce heat buildup and minimize vibrations, resulting in more accurate, splinter-free cuts. Whether you're installing recessed lighting, running conduit, or crafting custom furniture, a well-designed, 7-piece hole saw set provides the reliability and performance needed to tackle projects with confidence. Beyond precision and durability, a high-quality 7-piece hole saw set is designed for ease of use and efficiency. The quick change arbor system allows for fast bit swapping, reducing downtime on the job. Some sets also include pilot drill bits to help center the hole saw for increased accuracy, preventing wandering or misalignment. Many manufacturers design these hole saws with deep gullets and side slots for efficient chip removal, preventing clogging and making it easier to extract the cut material. The set often comes in a sturdy storage case, keeping the components organized and protected when not in use. Whether you're a seasoned contractor working on large-scale installations or a home improvement enthusiast handling small repairs, investing in a high-quality 7-piece hole saw set ensures you have the right tools for the job, delivering precision, speed, and convenience every time.